Hey there, health enthusiasts! Today, I'm super excited to show you how to boost your meals with the magic of lion's mane mushroom supplements. If you're looking for a way to level up your nutrition and tantalize your taste buds, you're in for a treat. First up, let's talk about why lion's mane is a game changer. This powerhouse mushroom is known for its brain-boosting benefits, helping with memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. Plus, it's great for your gut health and has anti-inflammatory properties. But enough about that. Let's dive into some delicious recipes. Recipe number 1. Lion's Mane Smoothie Bowl. Start with a base of frozen bananas, a handful of spinach, and a splash of almond milk. Add a scoop of micro-ingredients. Organic lion's mane, mushroom supplement for that brain-boosting power. Blend it all up until it's smooth and creamy. Pour it into a bowl and top with your favorite fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. Trust me, your morning just got a whole lot better. Next, let's whip up a lion's mane mushroom stir-fry. Heat some olive oil in a pan and throw in your choice of veggies. I love bell peppers, broccoli, and snap peas. Add a teaspoon of micro-ingredients, organic lion's mane mushroom supplement, to give it that extra health kick. Sauté everything until it's tender crisp. Serve it over brown rice or quinoa, and you've got a nutrient-packed meal in minutes. And for the snack lovers out there, how about some lion's mane energy bites? In a food processor, combine dates, almonds, a bit of cocoa powder, and a scoop of our star ingredient, micro-ingredients. Organic lion's mane mushroom supplement. Blend until it forms a sticky dough. Roll into bite-sized balls and refrigerate for about an hour. These little bites are perfect for a quick, healthy snack on the go. Incorporating lion's mane mushroom supplements into your meals is not only easy, but also incredibly beneficial for your health. Remember, it's always best to start with small amounts and see how your body reacts. And of course, consult with a healthcare provider if you have any concerns. So, there you have it. 3 simple, delicious ways to boost your meals with the power of lion's mane mushroom supplements. Give these recipes a try and let me know in the comments how you like them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow health enthusiasts. Until next time, stay healthy and happy cooking. Find the link for organic lion's mane supplement in the bio.